You are of the Spirit. You are not a spirit. You are of the Spirit. Only one Spirit is God. God. But because we are in the flesh, we are of the Spirit. For the Spirit sits inside of us. Because we are of the Spirit, it means there is a certain part that brings disagreement in our lives, and that is the flesh. You are of the flesh, for you appear. A spirit don't appear. You are not a spirit because you're not a spirit because you appear. You are of the Spirit because the Spirit sits in you. So you need to be of the Spirit. So if you are of the Spirit, now you follow the Spirit.
Abantu benneebumbira nzekka bolesenga ettendo lyange.
He was not with no one while making man. Adam that I made, I myself. So he may declare my praise. So now place yourself in that image. Mukama yamumba yekka. Say that God formed me alone, so I may declare His praise. Speak it. So there is nothing that formed you. There is nothing that created you. He's there saying, I formed you alone. Why do you give out my praise? The people that I formed, I alone. So they may declare my praise. So we are before the Lord. After understanding that He made us, we originate from Him. We are here to declare His praise. And we lift it every day. Isaiah. You read it again.
Abantu benneebumbira nzekka bolesenga ettendo lyange.
This man Isaiah, he spoke about the goodness of God. He declared the name of God. God used Isaiah. God used Isaiah. The coming of our Master Jesus. Isaiah was sent by God. Isaiah was the voice of God. So here he says that I, God myself, I formed that person, and I formed the sage. So they may declare my praise. They lift up my praise. Ask your neighbor, what do you do? What is it? Thank you for keeping the sheep. Thank you for being a welder. But what is your greatest? Ask your neighbor. How many people your neighbor answered you and you take care of the husband, take care of the wife, thank you. So what is your greatest job? They asked the man Jonah as he was going to Tarsus. They asked him, who are you? Where do you originate? What is your greatest job? So whoever is born again, you have to know your greatest work. What you need to do in the world while you were formed. Now Jesus said, that's why I was born. He knew the reason as why he was born. But why were you put there? First Chronicles 16:20.
Nayogera nti temukomanga kwabo be navukako amafuta